Hey everybody, welcome to World's Greatest Medical. Today we have a blackhead extraction under the microscope. This was done at 50 times magnification. I want to thank Carl for sacrificing this blackhead, and we did it using a comedone extractor found in a manicure set. This blackhead was no bigger than the head of a pin. Are you ready? Whoa. Blackheads are considered open comedones. The pore stays open, and the sebum, or oil, oxidizes and turns a black or brown color. So yeah, you can see the oxidized tip and how the sebum has thickened over time, clogging the pore. The extractor looks sharp, but remember it's at 50 times magnification, so it's actually a lot safer than using a fingernail or something. So there you go. Pretty simple, but very interesting. How do you treat your blackheads? Leave it in the comments.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.